Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update an Android phone. Now on your Android phone, let's swipe up and open up the Settings app. Within the Settings app, the first thing we need to do is tap on Connections here and make sure you're connected to a good Wi-Fi network. Essentially, it's going to download that update through the Wi-Fi, so you should be connected to the Wi-Fi. In addition to that, you'll want to swipe down and check your battery at the top right here. Usually you want about 50%. You can see I don't have 50%, but you'll want to get at least 50% or plug in your phone. Now let's download that update by scrolling down to the bottom within your settings, and you're going to look for software update. If you don't see that, you can just tap on the search icon at the top right and just search for software update. But let's tap on it. And you can see last update at the bottom was March 30th, 2026. And at the top is download and install. So let's tap on that. And you can see it says software update. So there is an update that is available. You can see One UI version 8.0, Android version 16. Now I can hit resume update and it will start to download that update onto my Android phone. Keep in mind, if this is super slow, you might have either slow internet or maybe you don't have enough space on your Android phone, and essentially it's just not able to download it all onto your phone. If you don't have enough space, you might need to delete out some files. Now, if you hop out of here, you can always swipe down from the top left, and there you'll be able to see that status as it's downloading the software update. Keep in mind, this is just downloading the software update. So after it's done downloading, it'll ask you, do you want to restart and actually install that update right now, or to do that later? If you choose to do that right now, it will reboot your phone, and essentially when it restarts, it will have that software update built in. I would highly recommend after you update the Android operating system, let's go into the Google Play Store and tap on your profile at the top right. And then just go into Manage Apps and Devices and check for updates on various apps, because you also want to make sure the apps are updated in addition to the Android operating system. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.